I'm harvesting these lovely tomatoes from voluntary tomato plants. I just put the seeds, tomato seeds, and they are grown like from the uh, tomatoes which I use for cooking. So I harvest them when they are bright red and little bit softer side. Some of them are getting there but not yet ready. So I'm going to keep it on the plant and I can harvest them later. And it's a luck factor. Sometimes my squirrels come and take them away. So these are voluntarily grown. So what I do is basic care is I take out all the leaves which are at the bottom which are dead or not that healthy because you don't need those leaves. It's just taking the energy. First flowers which shows up, I pluck them. Uh, these are the first flowers. Then later on the second time when this plant will get flowers, I will keep it. But these I take it out so that they give lot of tomatoes when you do this. I learned it recently. I've covered some of them because squirrel just try to pick them and they don't finish the whole thing. But some I keep for squirrels, some I cover. So these are dead little branches which are at the bottom. So I try to remove them. If they are not soft, you can use the scissors or the cutter. But these are like not that hard to remove. So I remove it with my hands. So that way the plant doesn't waste any energy and food trying to keep up with this. So you try to keep the plants clean from the bottom, try to remove the leaves from the bottom. So and I was not ready for this, that so many plants will grow with so many tomatoes. So then I put the support for them because I was not ready for this. I've planted marigold. Marigold is a companion plant for tomatoes to avoid any disease in the tomatoes. And marigolds are very easy to grow. And from the flower petals, where the seeds are for the marigold, I'll do a video on that also. So these are some more tomato plants I have in the. These are a little bit in the shade. And they don't get full sun. The previous one gets full sun. This gets sun about like for 3 to 4 hours, and these are also voluntary and they are growing quite well. And I've used my home compost and the homemade fertilizer. I don't buy fertilizer much because they're very expensive right now for me. So what I do is basic thing which I'm using at home. Like suppose I'm cleaning the lentils. Now these are lentils I had soaked in water, so I'm going to sprout this. So that water I'm going to go and water the plants. So all this water I save. I soak banana peels in the water, making dosa. So I'm getting a lot of good water here uh, because I had soaked this. So I'm going to use this. You can soak lemon peels, orange peels in this and then use it also. So today I'm going to just use it directly because I don't have any pills, uh, fruit peels or vegetable peels. So this water I use. So basically, I just use homemade fertilizers for this and take care of them, water them, and sunlight. That's it, and they give me a good uh, growth. So all the tomatoes when I cut for cooking, I save the seeds in the water and then I put this in the same area so that it grows voluntarily. And this is the harvest for today I got from all the plants. So planting tomatoes is very easy.